How to pot your artificial tree. To pot the tree, first you need to measure how you'd like it to sit in the planter. Place sand or earth in the container to this level, compress down and place the tree in it. If your tree comes with moss, this can be removed before filling the planter with sand. Once the tree is standing evenly on the container, fill around the pot with plenty of sand or earth. Compress down firmly to ensure the tree is secure. And finally, top up with decorative stones and your tree is now ready to display. Simple as that.